Hello students, in previous video we have discussed the question answers of this lesson. Now today we will discuss the value based question. Now here it is a story about a girl, Adya. Adya, a student of class 5th, had a senior lady, Madam Mehani, as her new neighbor. So it is the story about Adya, who is the student of class 5th. And Madam Mehani is her new neighbor and she is very old. Senior lady means she is very old. So she had a young puppy as her pet. So she has a pet puppy. So Adya noticed that Rashi, her helping hand, would take care of the puppy. So as Madam Mehani is very old, so she is not able to take care of the puppy. So she had a girl who helped her in taking care of that puppy. She would take it for a walk in the morning and again in the evening. So you know that when you have a pet, you have to take them out in morning and evening. So Rashi take that puppy out in the morning and evening. She would feed it proper puppy food at regular intervals. So that means Rashi take care of that puppy in always. That means she feed him that puppy properly at regular intervals and take it out for walk in morning and evening. Adya soon become friends with both the puppy and Rashi. Now she is Adya as they are neighbors. So Adya soon became friend of Rashi and puppy. She would also help the senior lady to the extent she could. So, her nature is very helpful. So she also tried to help that old lady, Madam Mehani, so whatever she can do. Now after some days, Rashi had to go on leave as she was urgently needed at her home. So as everyone needs leave, आप भी छुट्टी ले लेते हैं कई बार स्कूल जाने के लिए, कभी बीमार होते हैं, कभी घर में कोई फंक्शन होता है. सो राशि ऑल्सो हैड टू गो ऑन लीव. तो राशि को लीव चाहिए थी, घर जाना था, बिकॉज शी वॉज अर्जेंटली नीडेड एट हर होम, क्योंकि वो अर्जेंटली बहुत ज़रूरी उसको घर में कोई काम हो था. मैडम मेहानी बिकेम अ लिटिल पैनिकी एज शी was not strong enough to take the puppy for its walk. So because जितना भी मैडम मेहानी का काम था पपी को घुमाना और फीड कराना, वो सारा राशि करती थी. सो शी बिकेम अ लिटिल पैनिक. पैनिक मीन्स वो घबरा गई, थोड़ा सा परेशान हो गई, बिकॉज शी इज वेरी ओल्ड एंड शी वॉज not able to take that puppy for walk because she is not able to walk so frequently, jaldi nahi chal pate the, so it is very difficult for her to take that puppy out. Now Adya however assured her that she would do the needful and help her to best possible extent. So Adya is a very nice girl. उसने मैडम आद्या को बोला कि आप चिंता मत कीजिए, टेंशन मत लीजिए, जितना मुझसे हो पाएगा मैं आपकी हेल्प करूंगी. सो शी रिक्वेस्टेड हर मदर टू टेक केयर ऑफ द पपी इन द मॉर्निंग एज शी हैड टू गो टू हर स्कूल. सो एज शी इज अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 5th, सो उसको डेली स्कूल भी जाना था. So what she has requested her mother दैट स्कूल जाने से पहले वो उस पपी का ध्यान रखने की परमिशन मांगी और उसको मॉर्निंग में जो राशि घुमाती थी तो उसको भी मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए ले जाने के लिए परमिशन अपनी मदर से मांगी. हर मदर अप्रिशिएटेड हर हेल्पफुल नेचर. सो हेल्पफुल नेचर बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, बहुत कम लोगों में होता है, एंड दिस इज अ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी, एंड एवरीवन मस्ट हैव दिस हेल्पफुल नेचर. बिकॉज अगर आप किसी की हेल्प करेंगे तो आपको खुद ही बहुत अच्छा लगेगा किसी की हेल्प करके. एंड हर कंसर्न एंड एम्पैथी फॉर अदर्स. और जो कंसर्न रखती है, दूसरे का ख्याल रखती है, दूसरे के लिए दया है उसके मन में, उस सबका उसकी मम्मी को बहुत, उन मदर ने उसको अप्रिशिएट किया. द मदर एंड डॉटर हेल्प मैडम मेहानी टिल राशि के बैक. सो नॉट ओनली द आद्या बट हर मदर ऑल्सो हेल्प मैडम मेहानी. तो आद्या और मदर दोनों ने ही मैडम मेहानी का ध्यान रखा जब तक राशि लीव से वापस नहीं आ गई, अपने घर से वापस नहीं आ गई. बोथ मैडम मेहानी एंड राशि थैंक्ड आद्या एंड हर मदर फॉर ऑल द हेल्प एंड केयर दे प्रोवाइडेड. सो मैडम मेहानी और राशि दोनों ने आद्या और उसकी मम्मी का बहुत थैंक किया. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर आद्या और उसकी मदर मैडम मेहानी की हेल्प नहीं करते तो राशि भी अपने घर नहीं जा पाती. उसको भी वहां पर टेंशन रहती कि कैसे मैडम मेहानी अपना पपी का ध्यान रख रहे होंगे. सो बोथ ऑफ देम थैंक्ड. The puppy also seemed to be thanking them as it wagged its tail and played with Adya. So you know that जो एनिमल्स होते हैं वो भी अपनी खुशी जाहिर करते हैं किसी न किसी वे में. सो डॉग्स जिनके घर में हैं दे नो वेरी वेल दैट हाउ डॉग्स बिहेव व्हेन दे आर हैप्पी. सो पपी भी एक, उनको ऐसा लगा पपी भी थैंक करना चाह रहा है. उसने अपनी टेल हिलाई. टेल हिलाता है जब एनिमल डॉग बहुत खुश होता है. एंड प्लेड विद आद्या, और वो आद्या के साथ खेलने लग गई. नाउ दिस इज द स्टोरी अबाउट द आद्या. नाउ here are the questions based on this story. State the values displayed by Adya that you would also like to have. So in this story, Adya is a very nice girl. She is very helpful. उसने मैडम मेहानी की बिना बोले हेल्प करी, और बाद में जब उनको और ज़रूरत पड़ी तो उसने बोला कि मैं आपकी हेल्प करूँगी, और करी भी है. सो शी इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल एंड काइंड ऑल्सो. एंड वो औरों के से कंसर्न रखती है, ध्यान रखती है, किसको किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है उसका ध्यान रखती है, और दयालु भी है, दूसरे के लिए दया भी करती है. सो शी इज़ वेरी काइंड, हेल्पफुल एंड कंसर्न एंड एम्पैथी फॉर अदर. So these are the values displayed by Adya in this story, and you should also have these qualities. So now onwards, try to help others. दूसरों को परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए. जिसको बाहर और घर में भी अगर किसी को आपकी हेल्प की ज़रूरत है तो उसकी हेल्प ज़रूर कीजिए. बाहर भी आप हेल्प कीजिए. अपने पेरेंट्स का कहना मानिए, उनको परेशान मत कीजिए. Next question is, have you ever had a chance to help a senior citizen? Share your experience with your classmates. So आपको भी कभी चांस मिला हो किसी सीनियर सिटीजन मीन्स कोई ओल्ड पर्सन, उसको हेल्प करने का. अगर आपको कभी मिला है और आपने की है तो यू कैन शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस. So right now you are not in the classroom, and so you can't share it. So you can share with your parents and other friends who are with you, so you can share it with them. Now, do you think that a pet is likely to be a good companion for a single senior citizen? तो ऐसे बहुत सारे सीनियर सिटीजन्स होते हैं, ओल्ड पर्सन्स होते हैं जो अकेले रहते हैं. सिंगल सीनियर सिटीजन मीन्स अकेले, उनके साथ कोई नहीं होता. तो क्या आपको लगता है कि जो ये पेट्स होते हैं, लाइक डॉग, पैरट, कैट, पेट्स बहुत सारे होते हैं, कोई अलग अलग तरह के पेट्स पालते हैं. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक दैट these pets is likely to be a good companion? उनके लिए एक अच्छे कंपेनियन हो सकते हैं. यस, बिकॉज जो अकेला रहता है उसको बहुत अकेलापन फील होता है, लोनलीनेस. एंड फॉर दैट अगर उनके साथ कोई साथ में हो तो दे डोंट फील अलोन. उनको ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे साथ कोई है और उनका इजीली जो टाइम है वो पास हो जाता है. और उनके साथ इंटरेक्ट करके, उनके साथ उनके खिला के, उनको घुमा के और बाकी का उनके काम करके दे स्पेंड देयर टाइम, सो दे आर लाइकली टू बी अ गुड कंपेनियन. तो बिल्कुल वो उनके अच्छे कंपेनियन बन सकते हैं. नाउ समथिंग टू डू. हियर आर food chains given and you have to complete these food chains. Now plant is, here is the example that is done for you. Plants is eaten by insects and insect is eaten by sparrow. You know that sparrow eats insect and insect eats plants. Now next food chain is grass. Grass is eaten by which thing and which is also eaten by lion? तो ऐसी क्या चीज है जो ग्रास को खाता है और लायन उसको खा जाता है? सो लायन तो बहुत सारी चीजों को खाता है, उनमें से कोई भी, एंड यू कैन राइट एनी एनिमल दैट ईट्स ग्रास एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो ईटन बाय लायन. सो वी कैन विल राइट डियर. Deer grass खाता है and lion eats that deer. Next food chain is plant. Plant is eaten by grasshopper and grasshopper is eaten by which animal or thing? That is eaten by snake. तो snake ऐसी किस चीज को खाता है जो grasshopper को खाता है? Yes, grasshopper को frog खाता है. Frog eat grasshopper and that frog is eaten by snake also. Snake frog को भी खाता है. So here the food chain is complete. Now move to the next food chain. Here is the producer. Producer, you all know what is producer. You have already studied in class 3rd. Producers are plants because they can prepare their own food, so they are called producers. Now producers are eaten by herbivores. Herbivore animals are those animals that eat plants only. So producer are eaten by herbivore and herbivore is eaten by carnivore. Carnivore are animals that eat only flesh or other animals. So this is the food chain. Next is your grains. Grains is eaten by mouse and mouse is eaten by, you can write anything. Snake also eat mouse, cat also eat mouse, and many other things eat mouse. We'll write cat. So here grains is eaten by mouse and mouse is eaten by cat. So the food chains are complete. Now here is the puzzle game, crossword puzzle, and with this with the help of the given clues are given here at the bottom of the page and you have to complete these crosswords. Now read all the hints that are given, clues you can say. Hunted for kasturi. So which animal is hunted for kasturi? we have already studied in the chapter. Kasturi, we got a Kasturi from musk deer. So here we have to write in the first option, and that is across. Here is the first option, you can see here M is written. So musk deer, we will write M-U-S-K, musk, D-W-E-R, deer, musk deer. The second clue is slaughtered for horn, very easy. Which animal is slaughtered for horn? It is the fourth, it is here. So it starts from R, that is rhinoceros, R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S, so rhinoceros. In this way you can complete this crossword puzzle. Let us read the next clue. Rules in the sky but still in danger of becoming extinct. You know, extinct means जो बिल्कुल अर्थ से खत्म होने वाले हैं, and it rules the sky. That means it is very powerful, सबसे strong, you can say strongest bird. फ्लाई स्काई में कर रहा है तो फिर स्काई में तो बर्ड ही कोई फ्लाई कर सकता है. So rules the sky and still in danger to become extinct. That means it is an endangered animal and it is a bird. So which bird is endangered? That we have studied in the lesson, and it is fifth point. You can see here this. So we have studied the bald eagle, B-A-L-D, bald eagle. Yes. Next, green bird, my pet. Oh, very easy. You all know which one is the green bird, and it is the sixth across. So here is the sixth one. And you all know which bird is green in color, and we keep it as a pet. That is a parrot. Very easy. Parrot. Next one is who eats whom. So we have also done it in the short questions. Who eats whom means food chain. Yes, and this is seventh one. So where is the seventh? This is the seventh one. So it is a food chain. Food chain means who eats whom. Next is interconnected food chains form. Now when many food chains interconnected with each other, what it's become? It is the ninth ninth point. This one, ninth word. So we know when many food chains get interconnected, it is called a food web. Next is I was there once upon a time. That means it is the 10th point, Q. Once upon a time I was there. That means it is an extinct animal because it is no longer living. So once upon a time, kabhi मैं होता था. So that means we are talking about the extinct animal, and we have learned about many extinct animals in this lesson. So which extinct animal name start from Q? So it is quagga. Now we will find out the name of the animal. Downwards, here are the clues. Voted as one of the 7 wonders of the world. So we have discussed in do you know the name of that place? So that is Masai Mara. That is considered to be one of the 7 wondered, voted as one of the 7 wondered. Masai Mara, it is first downwards. So here it is first downward. M start from M. Masai, M-A-S-A-I. It is already written I. And again M is given. M-A is already done. M-A-R-A. Masai Mara. Now second, open an oyster. And you may find it. Yes, what you get from the oyster? We get pearl. So here is the second one, pearl, Pearl, pearl. What is the next one? Next clue is a relative of frog, and I am now extinct. So again, go to the extinct animals. Which animal which is a relative of frog and is now extinct? And this is the clue of third downwards. So here is the third down. So that is golden toad. Golden toad. So golden toad is the relative of frog and it is an extinct animal. Next is I eat bamboo leaves to grow. I'm in logo of WWF. So you can find out on the which animal is on the logo of WWF, and it eats bamboo leaves. So the animal that eat bamboo leaf is panda, and you can also find the logo of WWF. Panda is also there on its logo. So it is panda. It's a clue of sixth. This P, the name of animal starts from P, so it's panda, P-A-N-D-A, panda. And the last one is desert is my home. This is a very simple. You all know which animals lives in the desert. That is camel. So this is we have completed this chapter. So thank you.